So in the previous video, we saw some examples for designing NFA. So in this video also, I am going to show how to design NFA by giving some examples. Okay, so construct NFA over the input alphabet 0, 1 in which every string contains either two consecutive zeros or two consecutive ones. Okay, so the only condition is that if you are taking any string in a language, there should contains either two continuous zeros or two continuous one. Okay, so we can write the language L equal to, what is our condition? It should contain either two consecutive zeros. So we can write 0, 0. Either two consecutive ones, 1, 1. Then we can give the combinations. That is consecutive to, only the condition is either it should have two consecutive zeros. So 3 zeros also acceptable because it contains two consecutive zeros. Okay, 4, 0. So on. 3, 1 contains two consecutive 1, 4, 1, two consecutive 1 here and so on. Then 0, 1, 1. Is it acceptable? Yes, because it contains, this string contains two consecutive 1. 0, 0, 1. It is also acceptable because it contains two consecutive zeros. 0, 0, 1, 1. It is also acceptable because it contains two consecutive zeros, also two consecutive ones. 1, 0, 0, 0. Is it acceptable? Yes, it contains two consecutive zeros. 1, 1, 0, 1. This is also acceptable because it contains two consecutive ones. So every string in this particular language should consist of either two consecutive zeros, two continuous zeros, or two continuous consecutive ones. Okay, so what we need to do? So we wrote the language here. Then we need to draw the skeleton for the smallest length string. So the smallest length string is 0, 0, 1, 1. That is length 2. So we can draw Q0, Q1, Q2. So this is length 2, length 0, length 1, length 2. It should accept length 0, 0. Okay, suppose if I am putting a comma here, 0, 1, 0, 1 to accept 1, 1. Okay, it is not acceptable because it will take 0. Suppose I am putting comma 1 here, it will accept 0, 1. Okay, it will accept the string 0. It will accept the string 0, 1. But 0, 1 is not belonging to this particular language. The string 0, 1 is not belonging to this particular language. Okay, so we can't put a comma and we can't put a 1 along with 0. So we need to create another state Q3. So whenever we are seeing a 1, 1, it should accept the automata. So 0, 0 will be accepted by the automata. Then from starting state, it is reaching to final state. 1, 1 will also accepted by the automata. Okay. And there is no problem when it start with any number of zeros and 1 and end with any number of zeros and 1s. Okay. So you need to draw the skeleton for the smallest length string. So it should accept 0, 0. So I am putting 0, 0 here. Okay, in order to accept 1, 1, I can't put a comma 1 here because it will take the string 0, 1. If I am putting a comma 1 here, it will take 0, 1, the string 0, 1. 0, 1 is not belongs to this particular language. Okay, because 0, 1 doesn't contains two consecutive zeros or two consecutive ones. So 0, 1 should be rejected by the automata. Okay, so in order to accept 1, 1, we need to create another state and show it like this. 1, 1 will be accepted by the automata. Then 0, 0, 0, 0 will be accepted by the automata. All the strings in this particular language is accepted by this particular NFA. So we can say this language is accepted by the automata. If I am taking 0, 1, it should reject by the automata. So we can say the language is acceptable. Okay, so you just think and do. Then another problem, it contains 1, 1, 0, 0. So 1, 1, 0, 0 means, like the language, it should contain the substring 1, 1, 0, 0. So this is the smallest length string. Then it should start with any number of zeros or any number of ones. The only condition is it should contain the substring 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. I am writing this. Is it acceptable? Yes, it also contains the substring 1, 1, 0. The only condition is every string should contains 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay, 0 0 1 1 0 0 1 0. Is it acceptable? Yes, it also contains the substring 1 1 0 0. So it should start with any number of zeros or ones. It should end with any number of zeros or ones. That is not a problem. But the only thing is every string should consist of 1 1 0 0 as a substring. So this is the smallest length string here. So we are drawing the skeleton. See, sorry, 1 Q1 1 Q2 0 Q3 Q4. So 1 1 0 0 is accepted by the automata. So it may start with any number of 0 1, it is not a problem. It may end with any number of zeros and 1, there is no problem. It should contain the substring 1 1 0 0. You can't put a 1 or 0 here. Why? It will take the, suppose I am putting a 1 here. Okay, it will take 1 1 1 0. That is not a problem. Suppose I am putting a 0 here. 1 0 1 0 1 0 0 will accept by this automata. This should not accept because it doesn't contain the substring 1 1 0 0. Okay, so you need to think and do. So this is the automata corresponding to this particular problem. So do more problems and try to design NFA, then only you will get the idea. Okay, so in the next video I will explain you what is epsilon NFA. So before going to epsilon NFA, I will tell you how to convert NFA to DFA. That I will explain in the next video. Okay, so now you studied what is DFA, how to construct DFA, then you need to study what is NFA, how to design NFA. After that, convert the given NFA to DFA. Okay.